Hello, everyone. Welcome to JS Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to change or restore desktop icons in Windows 10 version 2004. Now, let's get started. At first, go to the desktop and right-click on the empty area. Then, select Personalize. On the left side, select the Themes tab. Then, scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings. Now, select one of the desktop icons you want to change and click on the Change Icon button. Then, choose any icon you like and click the OK button. Again, click OK. Now, go to the desktop and check your desktop icon. Great! You changed the desktop icons. Now, when it's time to restore its default icons, then, go to the desktop icon settings and click on the Restore Default. At last, click the OK button. Now, go to the desktop and check your desktop icon. Great! You succeed to restore them back its default icon. Okay. This much for today. I will see you in next tutorial with interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.